Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to PMDC online lecture room. Today we are going to discuss the fourth topic of liquid chapter, that is evaporation, which is present in chapter number 5 of first year chemistry book. Dear students, this topic is very important for short questions about board exam. Question number 1, that is explain why evaporation of a liquid causes cooling, was appear in different board exam in 2015, 16 and 17. While question number 2, that is earthenware vessels keep water cool even in hot summer days, gave reason, was appear in 2017. Dear students, today our lecture consists of introduction, explanation, factors affecting applications of evaporation, and the last part of our lecture is assignment. So first of all, introduction or definition of evaporation. Dear students, the spontaneous conversion of a liquid into its vapor state at any temperature is called evaporation. Look at the example. Dear students, this kind of example we can see in our daily life. For example, vapors from the surface of the ocean or seas, vapors from our mouth or will, especially in winter season. So these are the typical example of evaporation. Now explanation. Dear students, according to kinetic molecular theory of liquids, the liquid molecules are always in constant motion. These liquid molecules have different kinetic energies because the energy of molecules changes after each collision. The molecules with greater kinetic energy move faster and reach to the surface of liquid. These high energetic molecules escape from the surface of the liquid and to vapors. For example, in an open container at constant temperature, evaporation continues at the same rate until all the liquid is converted into vapors. Now factors affecting rate of evaporation. The first factor is surface area. Dear students, as evaporation is the surface phenomena, if surface area is large, then larger number of molecules will have chances to escape. Hence, the rate of evaporation increases with increase in surface area. For example, there are two containers are given in the slide. This container has high surface area while this container has low surface area. So, if we take the same amount of liquid in this container, so from this container which has high surface area, the liquid will evaporate very quickly as compared to this one, because there are larger number of molecules will have chances to come to the surface of liquid and to evaporate as compared to this one, and which less number of molecules will have chances to come to the surface of this container and to evaporate. Second factor is temperature. Dear students, the rate of evaporation increases with increase in temperature, because at high temperature the molecules have high kinetic energy and velocity, so they break the intermolecular attractive forces. Hence, rate of evaporation increases with increase in temperature. For example, the wet clothes become more dry quickly in summer as compared to winter due to high temperature in summer. So this is the typical example. Second factor is intermolecular attractive forces. Dear students, weaker intermolecular attractive forces among liquid molecules, then greater will be the rate of evaporation and vice versa. For example, gasoline evaporates much faster than water. The reason is that gasoline has weak London dispersion forces and water has strong hydrogen bonding. Fourth factor is external pressure. Dear students, rate of evaporation decreases with increase in external pressure and vice versa. because by increasing pressure, molecules come close to each other and intermolecular attractive forces become stronger. Now, applications of evaporation. Dear students, there are many applications and uses of evaporation. Number first, evaporation is used in oil fields to separate water and other compounds from crude oil. Number second, evaporation is also used to concentrate liquid foods such as noodles and make condensed milk. Number third, dear students, rain is also the result of evaporation. Number four, evaporation is also used in pharmaceutical industries for drying the pharmaceutical products. Number fifth, drying of clothes also is the result of evaporation. Now some important short questions and their answers. Question number 1. Why evaporation takes place at any temperature? Dear students, according to kinetic molecular theory of liquids, the liquid molecules are always in constant motion, so they collide with each other and after each collision their kinetic energy changes. The high kinetic energy molecules come to the surface of the liquid, then the blowing air further increases their kinetic energy, which is become approximately equal to the kinetic energy of air molecules. So then they escape from the surface of the liquid into vapors. Question number 2. Why evaporation causes cooling? Dear students, during evaporation, first of all high energy molecules leave the liquid surface and low energy molecules are left behind. So temperature of the liquid falls and cooling is produced. Secondly, by continuously evaporation, heat moves from surrounding to the liquid. Thus, temperature of the liquid also temperature of the surrounding also falls. For example, when we put spirits on our hands, the spirit evaporates and hands feel coolness. Now the last part of our lecture is assignment, which consists of 3 short questions. Dear students, carefully watch the video lecture and do the assignment. Thank you very much and take care.